Yeah, hi there. In this tutorial, we are going to cover animated bar charts, so also known as bar chart race. So basically, if you want to create some sort of animation with the bar charts, so then we can use a package which is bar chart race package. So the first thing we have to do is we have to install it. You can install it either using pip install bar chart race, or if you're using the Conda Anaconda, then you can install using Conda install -c corner dash 4 and bar underscore chart underscore race. Okay, once the package is installed, then we have to import a couple of libraries like numpy, pandas, matplotlib.ticker, matplotlib.animation, ipython.display. From there, I'm importing HTML and the main library, import bar chart race as BCR, and then I'm importing warnings and just setting the warnings as ignore. So the condition with the bar chart race package is that the data should be in the wider format, where each row should represent a single period of time, and each column should hold the value for a particular category, and the index must contain the some time component. So basically, the data frame should be like this. In the index should be a time component, so it should be you can say as a time series kind of an object, and we have different columns which represent different values over the period of time. So, as an example, we are loading COVID-19 number of death cases in the different countries. So this data set comes along with this package. So I'm just loading it using bcr.load underscore dataset and name of the dataset COVID-19, storing it in data frame df. The shape is there are 57 rows and 20 columns. I'm just checking the first three rows. This is what it is. The name of the countries, and then on the index we have the date column, which is in the increasing order. So which shows the number of death over a period of time across all these countries. So how do we create the animation? The first thing is if you want to create some MP4 kind of a file, then we have to do like this: bcr dot bar underscore chart underscore race. Name of the data frame here is df, and file name, this is the file that I'm the output that I'm trying to store, and the title of the title that should appear. Now once you execute this, it creates an mp4 file in the location that we have specified. So in my case I had executed it prior, so it created the file, and this is what it looks like. I'm just playing that file which it created. So if you see, the name of the file is covid19.mp4. This is the name of the file, covid19.mp4, and the title I had given as covid-19. So the title is appearing right here, covid-19. If I just simply play this mp4 file, this you will show that what was the death count amongst each countries, and how uh, the order was changing among the countries. Like initially China was at the top, then it came down. The other countries had more uh, deaths. So the order is changing. So if you see, the bars are flipping. Okay, so this was like storing it in a separate MP file. Now, if you want, we can make it appear within the Jupyter notebook itself. So what we have to do is bcr dot bar underscore chart underscore race data frame, and in that case now we don't have to give any file name because we want it to appear within the Jupyter notebook. So that's why file name is none, and storing it in object bcr underscore html, and just simply execute it. So this is what you will get within this animation within your Jupyter notebook. Another thing we can do is we can make the bars appear vertically. So this you see is the horizontal alignment. Now if you want, you can make the bar appear in a vertical alignment, so by specifying the orientation as vertical, and at the same time we can also specify the number of bars. That is, I want to see only 10 bars. Okay, so if I execute it, this is again I'm just uh, executing the function and storing the object in a output in a separate object. So the function is bcr.bar underscore chart underscore race, name of the data frame. File name is none because I want the output to appear within the Jupyter notebook. Orientation is vertical and number of bars is 10. So the output is stored in BCR HTMLV, we indicating the vertical format of the bars, and if I just execute it, so this is what you see. This is how the bars. Let me just simply zoom in. Yeah, this is how the bars. If you see the are changing, the countries are changing their position based on the death rate, and at any point of time, we will not see more than 10 bars. Okay, so that's how we can create the animated bar charts in our Python Jupyter notebook using the package, which is bar underscore chart underscore race. So that's it for now. Thank you.